The field of environmental science has brought a plethora of environmental impacts that can be measured through life cycle assessment. Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Collador-Riss, co-founder and head of product at Earthster, and I'm going to show you how we can explore and discover all those environmental impacts inside of Earthster. You have always been able to select impact categories through this drop down here, but the novelty that I'm presenting is that if you have an EcoInvent license, you will now be able to explore all the available ones. If you have an EcoInvent license but it's not active in Earthster, or you want to get one, please get in touch with us and we'll be able to sort that out for you. Now when you click here, you may discover this other button. That means that you will be able to pick from the different environmental impacts that we have now. As you see, we have full recipe at our disposal. That means that we can select the different perspectives. We can select midpoint or endpoint, depending on whether we're measuring the direct environmental effect or its damage on the environment, which is a bit longer model. So some people prefer to stay with the more possibly objective midpoint. And you can also select the environmental footprint 3.1. I'm going to select midpoints here, as opposed to endpoints that we typically had access to. And I'm going to select land occupation. So it's a particular type of environmental effect. We're using land that nature cannot use. And if I click View Impact, it will immediately open a new tab and you'll see that the units are different. So now we have square meters, so area, times the time that we're occupying. So it's an integrated unit. You can read the recipe documentation to understand a little bit more what the unit specifically means, but you can also use those numbers as a comparison. The higher that number, the worse it is for the environment. And now if I browse the usual way through my cycle, you're able to see all these boxes, all these drawers give me information in land use impact units. So that's all regarding other impact categories. This is a new feature, so I'm looking forward to hearing feedback from you on what is intuitive, what you like, what you would want better. And thank you very much for listening to this video, and I'll see you on the next video.